In your Files option, this shows you everything that's saved onto the board. When you're in your Files option, at the very top left-hand side of the screen, you can go Icon View or List View. You can categorize by name, type, size, or time. The Gear option gives you more options. To utilize your cloud drive storage, click on Cloud Drive under Files, click Add Account, and then you can choose between logging onto your Google Drive or your OneDrive account. By doing this, this will save into your account, and you'll be able to access this cloud drive whether you're working in the whiteboard option or saving pictures. You'll be able to choose to save it into that cloud drive. Just be aware that when you're logged into your cloud drive, you'll be able to access it anytime you're on the board. So for safety reasons, be cautious when you use this feature. If you were to plug a USB drive into your board,
you can use that USB drive to back up your files.
The options of pulling up those files will be located in your Files application.